Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. First see the results. So far $121. Today Monday, just market open and I put the board, and the board is running from last 7 to 8 hours, and in 7 to 8 hours it's give us profit $121, and the maximum drawdown is just $25. And the most important thing, you will get free of cost. You will get this board free of cost, okay, and the trial version is available. First you have need to try in the demo account. I will give you the free of cost access, so you can get, and so you can satisfy. Then you have need to buy my bot. Okay, before buy my bot, I will give you the access in your real account, so you can earn the money and then pay me. How is the offer? This is the best offer nobody can give you, because I made the bot, so I know how much profit it will give you, and it will give amazing results at all. Okay, so this is the best 74. A lot of people contact me, how we can get this board, how we can what is the cost, each and everything. Okay, so in this video I am just showing you, you will get access free of cost. If you want to get the access in the real account, I will give you the board access in your real account. Okay, and if you want to test in the demo account first, there is no issue, you can use it in the demo account first, there is no issue. Okay, so far you can see $121, and drawdown is 24.46 dollars. But there is a question you will ask, there is a minus $48 and you are saying maximum download is this one. Let me explain you. The board is working on the cycle. Okay, when the cycle complete, okay, then it will close all the trades. Okay, in this cycle, this is the cycle. Okay, in this cycle, so far the board gave us profit of around $65.49. Okay, and the floating profit and loss here you can see is minus 47 or minus $48. So far our cycle is in profit, but when we will the book profit, that is actually the cycle. When the profit in the cycle it good enough, then it will close the trades all, and immediately board will restart. Because this is actually let me show you some more. I put this board around 7 to 8 hours ago, and it give us profit so far, one more profit, and it gave us the profit of $124. Okay, and the maximum drawdown is this one. Okay, then after you can say after this bot, I 2 to 3 hours ago I put this bot here in another account. Okay, this was okay. So far this bot is actually running around 4 to 5 hours. Okay, and 4 to 5 hours, actually more than 4 to 5 hours. So it give us the profit of $90.74, and the maximum drawdown is here is $28.64. And in this cycle the board book profit of around $51, and the floating profit and loss is around 48 $49. So far the cycle is in profit, but will close the all trades when the board will get enough profit. Okay, so far here you can see we have balance 1 to $590. Let me show you the history. Okay, this is the all history. First you have need to see the date, 25 5. Okay, 25 July, and you can see all the trades in the 25 July. Okay, this is all the trades, and today we get the profit of around $90.90. Okay, around $91. Okay, this is the same board I put in the third account, and so far in the third account the book it's give us the profit of around $41.85. Yes, not good enough. The maximum drawdown is give us is around 48.57. And in this cycle so far our bot is in loss, but will close the cycle in the profit, very soon. This is the maximum drawdown. Okay, and you can see in this board the board did not give much profit, but enough profit. Okay, you cannot say we did not get enough profit. Yes, you get enough profit. Okay, here you can see. So let me show you some more. This one is the board is running amazing, and actually working awesome. Okay, and the same board I put here in the in this, and here so far the board gave us profit of around $124, and the board is still running, and you can run the board 24 by 7. There is no issue, no impact of news, each and everything. Okay, because I put a logics in the money management. The strategy I'm using in this board is very simple, but the most important thing in the board is the most important thing is the money management. I put lot of effort just for in the money management. Okay, because maximum drawdown is 24.46. That is the reason. That is, you can say, the beauty of money management. Okay, how we can get money this drawdown, except you can see the floating profit and loss is $49, because this I already explained that, because this board is working on the cycle. Okay, and in this cycle the profit is $68, and the floating profit is loss is minus 47 or $48. So far in the cycle we are in profit. Okay, if the board goes around to the drawdown of $25, maybe 50 or maybe $80, then the cycle already give us the profit of around more than 30 for $30, for $50. When your drawdown is $100, then the board already give you more than $50 profit. So the maximum so the actual drawdown is your $50, not $100. Okay, so that is the reason. So I already told you one more time. First you have need to get the trial version. Then, if you are satisfied, then get the real access in the real account. Okay, there is no issue. First try in the demo. I will give you free of cost, and then you can use it in the real account. Okay, you can see there is a movement in the here. Okay, and our drawdown is decreasing, and here you can see the profit is now increasing, and very soon it will, when the board will see there is enough profit, then it will close immediately all the trades, and our board will be in a very good profit. Okay, here you can see 45 50s, around more than $25 profit in this cycle. Overall $127 profit. Okay, so if you need this board, yes, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details here. If you need this board, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram or Gmail. Write one at the end if you want to contact me on my Telegram. Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com. Okay, if you want to get the access or you can get the trial version, then you have need to contact me, and you have need to give me your trading account number. I will give you the access, and you can use it, or you can test it according to your need and requirement. There is no issue. Okay, okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.